Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuides. Today I'll show you how to add shadow to image using Canva. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. So let's start. First of all, head on to Canva from your favorite browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Over here you can see I am in Canva workspace. This is one of my images to which I want to add shadow. Then first of all, I'll click on this image and go to edit image. Over here you can see remove background. Click on this and in a while you can see background of our image is removed. Again reinsert your image to Canva workspace, then adjust its size. Okay, now move its position to backward. You can see here object of this image is overlaid. Now click on outer image to which we recently removed background. Then head on to edit image and search for shadows and hit enter. Over here you can find shadow. Then click on shadow. Click on glow. Now you can adjust the shadow by just clicking over here. Then you can see here you can change the size. I will keep it around 7. Then I will increase transparency about 60%. Then I will increase blur to 7. Now you can see our image has got its shadow. You can adjust size and transparency according to your need. So in this way we can add shadow to image in Canva. If you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.